At the hotel. Hello. Welcome to our hotel.
Hi. I have a booking.
May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Sarah.
Let me check. Yes, found it.
How much is the room per night?
It's $75, including breakfast.
Is Wi-Fi included?
Yes, free Wi-Fi is available.
What time is breakfast?
From 7 to 10 in the morning.
Where do I go for breakfast?
It's on the ground floor, to your left.
Is there a lift?
Yes, right over there.
Thanks. Here's my ID.
Thank you. Here's your key. Room 324.
Thanks. When should I check out?
By 11 a.m.
Perfect, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a lovely stay. At the pharmacy.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I need something for a headache.
Do you want tablets or drops?
Tablets, please.
How many tablets would you like?
A small pack, please.
Here you go. Anything else?
Yes, do you have hand sanitizer?
Yes, it's on the shelf behind you.
Great. How much is it all together?
$8.50, please.
Here is $10.
Thank you. Here's your change.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
At the restaurant.
Good evening. Here's today's menu.
Thanks. What would you suggest?
The steak is one of our best dishes.
Great, I'll go with the steak.
Would you like a drink as well?
Yes, a glass of orange juice, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Here is your juice and your steak.
Thanks. Could I get the bill, please?
Of course. That will be $15.50.
Here's $20.
Thank you. Here's your change.
You can keep the change.
Thank you very much. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks delicious. At the cafe.
Hello. Welcome to our cafe.
Hi, thank you. It's nice here.
I'm glad you like it. What can I get for you?
I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like milk in it?
Yes, with milk.
And sugar?
No, no sugar.
Got it. Anything else for you?
Yes. One muffin, please.
Blueberry, chocolate, or banana?
Chocolate sounds great.
Would you like a drink with it?
Yes. Orange juice, please.
Got it. Coffee with milk, chocolate muffin, and orange juice.
Yes, thank you.
Please take a seat. I'll bring it to you. Here is your order.
Thank you. It looks great.
Enjoy your meal.
Can I have the bill, please?
Sure. It's $9.80.
Here's $10.
Thank you. Here's your change.
You can keep the change.
Thanks a lot.
The food was very good.
I'm glad. See you again.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.